Hello friends, good evening, welcome to my channel. That was from Shrujana. In this session we are going to solve problems on AP arithmetic progression. In previous session we have solved exercise 1.2. In 1.2 we have solved first mean. So now we are solving the second mean, where the question given is choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of the AP is 10, 7, 4. Series is continued and we have to find the 30th term. The question given is they have given the series and we have to find the 30th term for it, and they have given the option. So after finding out we have to choose the correct option. So come guys, let's solve this problem. So let's solve by copying down the given in the series. What are they have given? They have given A and n value, that is 30, and common difference we know that it's nothing but A2 minus A1. So A1 is nothing but A, that's equal to 10. D is nothing but A2 minus A1, that's equal to 7 minus 10. The answer will be minus 3. D is minus 3. So what is n? An is 30. We have to find the 30th term. So what is an? An is equal to question mark. So we know that formula of an. An is equal to A30 is nothing. A30 is question mark. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is an? An is nothing but A30. A is nothing but 10 plus n is 30 minus 1. D is nothing but minus 3. So 10 plus 29 into minus 3, that's equal to 10 plus minus 87. 29 into 3 into minus sign we have, so hence it is minus 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So what is the value of A30? It is minus 77. The choice is C option. Second question they have given 11th term of the AP is minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2, and the series continues. So we have to find the 11th term and we have to write what is the value of the A11. Okay, let's copy down what is given in the question first. So what is the A value, what is the D? Just read it in the previous problem. The series they have given is minus 3 minus 1 by 2 and 2. This is A1, A2 and A3. So A is nothing but A1, that is minus 3. So we know that D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3, that's equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1. So we have to take the LCM for 2 and 1, it will be 6. So the answer will be plus 6. Okay. So D is equal to 5 by 2. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we know that A11 is equal to question mark, n is equal to 11. So what is A? A is nothing but minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 into D is 5 by 2. Minus 3, 11 minus 1 is 10, 5 by 2. So we can cancel here itself. 2 5s are 10. Minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. Plus 25. So A11 will be 22. So the answer is 22. In the following arithmetic progression, find the missing terms in the box. So first question they have given is 2 blank 26. So let's see the question, and first let's write the given terms that they have given. So first, what they have given in this series, we know that this is A1, A2 and A3. So we know that our A is nothing but A1, that's 2. A2 we have to find out, that's question mark, and A3 is 26. So we can use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d in this formula. Means how to write a3 value I'm going to show you now, because they are given direct, but a3 can also be written as a plus 2d, right? Yeah, so what is a3 here? A3 is 26. A, we know that it is 2. Let's substitute, and d we are going to find out, so we are going to keep it the same. So 2 we are going to take this side. 26 minus 2 is equal to 2d. 26 minus 2 is 24 is equal to 2d. So 2 is coming for the denominator below d. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Our d is equal to 12. So we know that a2 is equal to a plus 1d, right? So what is a here? A is nothing but 2 plus d is 12. So our a2 is 14. So therefore the missing term is, the missing term in the given series is 14. That's a2. Okay. They have given is a1 is empty, a2 is 13, a3 is dash, and a4 is 3. So what we have to do now, let's write down the given terms first. In the series, this is a1, a2, a3 and a4. So a1 is nothing but ra question mark, a2 is equal to 13, a3 is question mark, a4 is equal to 3. So we have a2 and a4. So a2 can be written as a plus d. So what is the value of a2? a2 is 13 plus a plus d is equation 1. So what is a4? a4 is equal to a plus 3d. So a4 is nothing but 3 is equal to a plus 3d. So let's consider this as equation 1. Here equation 1 and 2 can be solved by substitution method. So from equation 1, we can write, so what is equation 1? 13 is equal to a plus d. So from equation 1, how we are going to get? We can get a by transferring d this side. So what is a then? 13 minus d is equal to a. Now we got a value of a. Now let's substitute this value in equation 2. So by putting a is equal to 13 minus d in equation 2, what we are going to get? Let's calculate. What is equation 2? Equation 2 is 3 is equal to a plus 3d. So 3 is equal to 13 minus d plus 3d. So like terms, we are going to calculate and solve. 13 going to come this side. 3 minus 13 is equal to 2d. So 3 minus 13 is 10 is equal to 2d. Minus 10 by 2. 2 comes for the denominator below here. So the value of d will be minus 5. Okay. D is equal to minus 5. 2 5s are 10. During this value in equation 1, what are we going to get? We are going to get the value of a. So what is it? A is equal to 13 minus D, so 13 minus of 5, so it will be minus into minus is plus. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. A is equal to 18. So therefore the another term that is missing is A3. So A3 can be written as A plus 2D. So A is nothing but 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 18 minus 2 5s are 10, so 8. So A3 is 8 and A is 18. Fifth question. Blank 38, blank, blank, blank and minus 22. So the series they have given is A1 is blank, A2 is 38, A3, A4, A5 and A6 is minus 22. So what is A1? That's A is equal to question mark, A2 is equal to 38, A3 is question mark, A4 is question mark, A5 is also question mark, A6 is minus 22. So we know that A2 can be written as A plus D. That's A is nothing but A is same, A D is also same. A2 is 38 is equal to A2 value is 38 A plus D. So it will be equation 1. So A6 can be written as A plus 5D. So the value of A6 is minus 22. A plus 5, let it be equation 2. So from equation 1 we can take the value of A. Equation 1 we can get the value of A, that is A is equal to 38 minus D, as D will come this side. So substituting this value in equation 2, putting A value in equation 2, let's see what we are going to get. So minus 22 is equal to 38 minus D plus 5D, minus 38 will come this side, minus 22 minus 38 is equal to 40. So the answer will be minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60 is equal to 40. 4 will come to the denominator. Minus 60 by 4 is equal to D. So 4 15s are minus 15. So D value will be minus 15. We have the value of D. So let's substitute this in A, equation 1. So what are we going to get? A is equal to 38 minus D value is minus 15. So 38 minus into minus will be plus 15. So A will be 53. So we have the value of A and D. Let's find the value of A3. So we know that A3 is nothing but A plus 2D. So 53 plus 2 into minus 15. 53 minus of 30. So the answer will be 23. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. We know that A is 53, D is 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45, that's equal to 8. A5 is equal to A plus 40, that's equal to 53 plus 4 into minus 15. 53 minus 60 is equal to minus 7, because 60 has minus sign, that's a greater value. 53 is the lesser value, hence the answer is minus 7. 53 minus 60, it is got the sign by the greater value. Therefore the missing terms are 53, 23, 8 and 7. Next we have the fourth question. So in the fourth question, what do we have? Which term of the AP is 78? So they have given the question and the series as 3, 8, 13 and 18. So which term will be 78? That's the question they are asking. So we have to find. So first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18. So which term is 78? So it's like 25th term or 18th term they are asking. So they are given the value of n. We have to find the value of an. So we know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is a, it's nothing but even, a3 and a4, that's n. So what is a? A is nothing but even, that's 3. What is d? d is equal to a2 minus a1. 8 minus 3, that's 5. So what is n? n is equal to, so the next question is which term of the AP, the series is 3, 8, 13 and 18 is 78. So we have to find here which term is 78. That's first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We know the number and the value. Here we have to find which term, but they have given the value. So let's write the given. So A1 is nothing but A, A2, A3 and A4, and they have given the value of A, and we have to find the n value. Okay, so we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a? A is equal to 3, d is equal to a2 minus a1, and that's a minus 3 is equal to 5. N is question mark. An they have given, that's nothing but 78. So an is equal to a 78 plus 3a, n as it is we are going to write down, d is 5. So we are going to take 3 this side. 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is 75. N minus 1 by 5. We are going to take the 5 to the denominator. 70 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5. So 5 15s are 75. 15 is equal to n minus 1. We are going to take the 1 this side, that will be 16. N is equal to 16. So the 16th term will be the value 78. Okay. Fifth question. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So they have given the series and we have to find the total list of numbers or how many. It is similar to the fourth problem. So what they have given, A1 is given, A2 is given, A3 and AN is given. We have to find the value of n. So what is A1? That's A, 7. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That's 13 minus 7. That's equal to 6. So what is AN? AN is 205. M is equal to question mark. So let's substitute and find the value. We know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 205. A value is 7. N value is, we have to find out, D is 6. Let's take 7 this side. So 205 minus 7, that's equal to n minus 1 into 6. So 205 minus 7 is nothing but 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 6 will come to the denominator. Is equal to n minus 1. So 633 is 198. So 33, 1 will come to this side, plus 1 is equal to n. So 34 is equal to n. So there are how many terms? There are 34 terms in this series. They have given the second subs question, A1, A2, A3 and AM. So what is A1? A2 is given an improper fraction, so we have to convert into proper fraction. As I told you, A1 is equal to 8, that's 18. Oh, hold for this way. A2 is 15 into 2 is 30 plus adding with the denominator 131 by 2. So we know that D is equal to A2 minus A1, that's nothing but 31 by 2 minus of A1 is 18. So if we take the LCM, it will be 31 minus 36 by 2. So the answer will be 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. D value will be now let's calculate. So we have AN is equal to minus 47 and we have to find out. We know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is nothing but minus 47 is equal to 18 plus N minus 1 into D. D is nothing but minus 5 by 2. So if we take 18 this side, it will be minus 47 minus 18 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So it will be minus 65 into N minus 1 into minus of 5 by 2. So 2 will come to the numerator, 65 into 2 by 5. That's equal to N minus 1. Minus sign cancels, so 65, 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. 13 into 2 is nothing but 26 is equal to N minus 1. So 1 will come to the side, 27. N is equal to 27. Therefore, there are 27 terms in the next question they have given is check whether minus 150 is a term of the arithmetic progression series, that's 11, 8, 5 and 2. So we have to find out whether 150 is in the given series, whether it is coming in the any term. So let's write the given first. Series is 11, 8, 5, 2 and minus 150. A1, A2, A3, A4 and this is AN. So we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is A? 11. So what is N? We don't know. We have to calculate. So what is AN? It's minus 150. So what is D? A2 minus A1. So 8 minus 11, that's minus 3. Substituting this value, 150 is equal to A is 11 plus N minus 1 into D, that's minus 3. So minus 150 is equal to 11. 11 will come this side. 11 will come this side. So it will become minus 11. That's equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. So the answer will be minus 161, that's equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So if we divide, what will 3 will come to the denominator, minus 161 by 3, minus will be here, n minus 1, so it will be 161 by 3 is 53.66 is equal to n minus 1, so 1 will come this side, it will be 54.66. n is equal to 54.66. So we can see that n value is in decimal. So if we have a decimal value, then it's not a AP, it's not a positive integer. Hence, minus 156 is minus 150 is not a term of this series. Next question, 7th one, they have given find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we have to find the 31st term. They have given 11th term as 38 and 16th term as 73. First, let's write the given. So what they have given in the question, they have to solve this by substitution method. So A11 is 38, A16 is 73. So we have to find the value of A31. So how can we write A11? A11 can be written as A plus 10D. A16, let's take this as equation 1. A16 can be written as A plus 15 into D. So we know that what is A11? A11 is nothing but 38 is equal to A plus 20. Even A16 is 73 is equal to A plus 15D. We know the value of A11 and A16. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2, because we have written the value of A11 and A16. Now let's take the value of A from equation 1. So what will be the value of A? A is A, if we want the value of A, 10D will come this side. So A will be 38 minus 10D. Substituting this A value in equation 2, what we are going to get? 73 is equal to 38 minus 10D plus 15D. 73, 38 will come this side, is equal to 5D. So 73 minus 38 is nothing but 35 is equal to 5D. So 5 will come for the denominator. So we know that 5 7s are. So D is equal to 7. So we got the value. D is equal to 7. A is equal. So we have to substitute this D value in A. So what we are going to get? A is equal to 32 minus 10 into 7. So 32 minus 10 sevens are 70. So A is equal to 32 minus 70. That's minus 32. Sorry, this is 38. 38 minus 70 is 32. Okay. Let's find out the value of A31. So we know that A31 is equal to A plus 30D. We have the value of A and D. So what is A? Minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So minus 32. Yeah, minus 32 plus 7 3s are 21. So minus 32, A31 is equal to minus 32 plus 210. So 210 minus 32 is nothing but 178. A31 value is 178.